Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot: what network does Coinbase accept? Now, before I get into the specifics, I want to take a step back and talk about what a network is. In the world of cryptocurrency, a network is basically just a way for different computers to communicate with each other. This communication is what allows transactions to take place. There are a lot of different networks out there, each with its own set of rules and regulations. Some of the most popular networks include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So, now that we have a basic understanding of what a network is, let's get back to the question at hand: what network does Coinbase accept? Coinbase accepts a variety of different networks, including Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Litecoin, LTC, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, Ethereum Classic, ETC, Dash, Stellar Lumens, XLM, Cash, ZEC, 0x, Basic Attention Token, BAT, DAI, DAI, USD Coin, USDC, Gemini Dollar, GUSD, Pax Dollar, PAX, TrueUSD, TUSD. This is a pretty impressive list, and it shows that Coinbase is committed to supporting a wide range of cryptocurrencies. How to use Coinbase? Now that you know what networks Coinbase accepts, you may be wondering how to actually use the platform. Here are the steps. Create an account on Coinbase. Verify your identity. Fund your account. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. Place your order. Once your order is confirmed, your cryptocurrency will be deposited into your Coinbase wallet. You can then withdraw your cryptocurrency to another wallet or exchange, or you can simply hold onto it for investment purposes. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Coinbase or cryptocurrency, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say goodbye for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. I would also like to add that Coinbase is constantly adding new networks to its platform. So, if you're looking for a specific network, it's always a good idea to check back with Coinbase to see if it's been added. In addition, I would like to remind you that cryptocurrency is a volatile asset class. It's important to do your own research and understand the risks involved before investing any money. Thanks for watching.